In this video, I will introduce you to the file command in Linux. So let us understand the basics of this command and see 9 practical examples of using the file command in the Ubuntu terminal. Now a basic question arises, that is, what is the file command? The file command in Linux determines the types of files on your system. Furthermore, it runs tests on the provided file or files to categorize them and then displays the output. Now let's see the basic syntax of the file command. At first, you write the file command or the file keyword. Then you specify the option. Here option can be of single type or it can be multiple options. After that, you mention the file name. In the same manner, you can also mention multiple files. In order to know which options are available with the file command, you can type the following command. Now this will display the manual page of the file command in your Ubuntu terminal. You can scroll down through the entire manual page to see the available options and other details about the file command. So now I will be showing you the different examples of using the file command in Linux, starting with example 1, where I will show you how to determine the type of a certain file. So let's see how it works. For this example, I will determine the type of the file named jobs.txt, which is located on my home directory. So for this, I will type the following command. Here I have written the file command and then mentioned the name of the file. As you can see, it prints the type, which is ASCII text, meaning the file named jobs.txt contains all ASCII texts. In example 2, I will show you how to determine the types of multiple files. Here I will show you 4 different cases, starting with case A, where I will show you how to determine the types of all files available in my current directory. So let's see how it works. So for this case, I will type the following command. File, then I will give the sign asterisk, which resembles all files. Now I'll hit enter. This will display the type of all files available in my current directory, which is the home directory. In case B, I will show you how to determine the types of all files available in a specified directory. So let's see how it works. For this case, I will search for the type of all files available in the directory named my folder. So I'll type the following command. Now I will hit enter. This shows the type of all files available in this directory. Here are the name of the files and here are the types. In case C, I will show you how to print the types of files from a given list of files. So let's proceed. So for this case, I will type the following command. Here I am printing the type of files named jobs.txt, file1.txt, and file2.txt. In case D, I will show you how to print the types of files by specifying a range of files. So let's proceed. So I will type the following command. Now I will hit enter. As you can see, it prints all the file names starting with the letter A to G in my current directory, which is the home directory. It also prints the file types with the file names. In example 3, I will show you how to examine a list of files written on another text file using the file command along with the option -f. So let us proceed. For this example, I will type the command. Here I have used the file command with the option F and I want to examine the list of files inside the files.txt file. So now I'll hit enter to see the output. It lists all the files inside this file and also specifies the file types. In example 4, I will show you how to determine the type of special files, also known as device files, on your system. For this, you have to use the file command with the option -s. So I will type the following command for this example. Here I'm using the sudo user or the root user privilege. Then I'm mentioning the file command with the option S, and I'm looking for the file type of the special file named sda1, which is located in the dev directory, and the file type is data. In example 5, I will show you how to determine the type of a compressed file using the file command with the option -z. So let us proceed. So I'll type the following command. Here I am searching for the type of the compressed file named time.log.gz, and the type is mentioned here, which is ASCII text. You can determine the parsed version of any file using the file command along with the option -c. In this example, I will show you how to print the parsed version of the file named file2.txt. So let's see how it works. Now I will type the command file, then mention the option -c and the name of the file, which is file2.txt. After running this command, it displays the parsed version of this file. In example 7, I will show you how to display file types in brief mode using the file command along with the option -b. So let us proceed with this example. I will type the command. Here I have used the file command with option B for specifying brief mode and mentioned the file names jobs.txt, file1.txt and file2.txt. As you can see, it prints the file types but does not mention the file names. In example 8, I will show you how to print the MIME type or media type of a file using the file command along with the option -i. For your information, the MIME type or media type of a file specifies the type of a file including its contents. So let us proceed with example. So I will type the following command for this example. Here I have used the file command along with the option I to print the media type of the file named file2.txt. Here is the media type, which is plain text, meaning the file2.txt file contains all plain text. In this last example, which is example 9, I will show you how to print the internal debugging information of a file using the file command with the option -t. So let's see how this example works. So I will type the following command. Here I have used the file command along with the option -t to print the internal debugging information of the file named file2.txt. Now I'll hit enter. As you can see in the terminal, it prints the debugging information for the file file2.txt. So this was all for this video. If you want to know more about the file command, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching.